Aura Lee. I recently had a subscriber request this song, and before I did a version of it, I went and did some research on the internet, and there are so many versions out there on video and also sheet music, mostly free sheet music, because this song is in the public domain, the original version, not the Elvis version. So I will play through this one. I found this at free-scores.com, and I will put a link in the description. Keep in mind, if you are not enamored with this key or with the style, or you want it to be a little harder, there are a lot of choices on there. Just type into YouTube and see what else comes up. So I'm going to run through this, and then I will give you a few options of how to change it. Alright, so there isn't too much we can do in this closed hand position. On the first line, I wouldn't change anything. Probably. We've got an A chord there. You could fill out that whole D7 chord if you wanted to, and then you could fill out the whole G chord. And then after that repeats, then the next part, you can put a G on the bass of this entire line. And then the last line, haven't changed too much. Again, filling out my D7 chord. So if you want a few more notes, you can do that. Have fun with it. I'll see you in the next video.